Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to choose how you see your tabs on your Samsung Internet Browser. So Samsung Internet Browser gives you two main ways to view your open tabs. So you can view them in grid view, which shows thumbnail previews of each page, and you can view them in list view, which shows just the title and the URLs in more compact format. So you can basically switch between them anytime depending on what's more useful to you. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Samsung Internet. As you can see, I've got 5 internet browsers here opened up. So this is the list view. So you can see the title of the page and you can see the URL. If you want to see the different view on this Samsung Internet Browser, you can go ahead and tap on the tab view here, tap on the 3 dots, and then tap on View As. Now from here, you've got 3 different views which you can view from. So you can view it as a list, stack, or a grid. So go ahead and choose what you like. So grid view is something like this. Stack view is something like this. So on top of each other. And the list view is as default. So the grid view makes it easier to visually spot the page you're looking for, while the list view is perfect if you have a lot of tabs open and you want to scroll through quickly. So having the choice means browsing stays comfortable and efficient no matter the situation. So there you go, guys. That is how to choose how you see your tabs on your Samsung Internet Browser. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.